have several more minutes before we open.
Oh my God, there's something I can...
How did you get here?
I'm not in the bedroom. If we're not going to bed, of course, clear out the attic.
Around the ankles.
What on earth is happening?
I think I'll be ready up.
Come back. Oh, the Lord, she's killed it.
Say no more of that.
What am I doing now? I'm breaking in the paper bag. Everyone look under their feet.
No one move their feet.
Look at the state I'm in.
I forgot the sardines.
Good.
You're going to be in real trouble, you see. And what are you doing, my little girl down there at Bassin Steps?
Did you get my messages?
Hi, did you get my message? Of course I did.
There's something very important I have to tell you.
Everybody kiss.